Today I will create a menu bar with menu which also have descriptions. Let's create a container and nav. It also contain anchor tag items. Then add description of each menu item inside data description attribute. Now decorate the nav bar in CSS. First add background color, width and padding. To set the menu position, I am adding display flex, align item center, justify content center and gap. Let's decorate the menu. Add text color and font width. To set all text in uppercase, set text transform uppercase. And set position relative. Inside before studio element, set position absolute, content blank and left right 0. Now set height to px and background color. To make the line little bit big, I'm using transform scale x 1.4. Initially line will be hidden. For that I'm using opacity 0 and visibility hidden and adding transition. On hover, text will scale to 1.2 and color will change to white. In case of hover of the before studio element, change margin bottom and transition. To show the line, change opacity to 1 and visibility to visibles. For text, I will use after studio element and get attribute data value in content. Then set bottom, left, right position. Font size and text alignment. Now set opacity 0 and visibility hidden to hide the text initially and add transition. In case of after studio element hover, change margin bottom and opacity 1 and visibility visible. To make it attractive, I'm using transition delay. Similarly, transition delay on the before studio element. Here we go. If you find this helpful, please like and comment. For more videos, please don't forget to subscribe.